to say to that?
Holy crap.
Hey.
Hey, first I'm gonna take this off. Whoa.
What? What? Static?
Yeah, like really, ooh.
Go touch your doorknob. Hey, don't shock me.
Did I get you?
No.
I like your glasses.
Thank you.
Freaking nerd.
Yes.
Where is, there you are.
Did you forget a notepad?
Yep.
You always bring a notepad with you?
Yeah, it's good to have. I write down stuff like serial numbers and part numbers
And stuff like that. What'd you do today?
Stood outside for like a freaking hour.
Why?
While we waited for a huge like Greyhound bus.
Why?
Full of civilian equivalents of one-star generals to come in. So like basically they came up to like the flatline area and we're like we had to salute the bus and everything, and then we had to FOD check the tires.
What's the civilian equivalent to a one-star general?
I have no idea. Like, you know how there's GS and everything? Like
No.
GS 12
No.
and GS 7? I don't
No.
know. So that's like the civilian equivalent of like their military ranks, basically. I don't know. There's a bunch of them there, and they were showing off the hangar and stuff.
You gonna open your package? Open your package. I want to watch you open your package. Blake finally got all of his computer parts today. Or at least the ones that he didn't already have in this lovely corner of computer parts. Everything else is in this Amazon box, which he shall be opening momentarily.
This processor box is tiny.
What's that? Oh, the processor? What's that?
The RAM.
Oh, RAM. What's that?
Optical drive.
Optical drive. What's that?
Solid state.
Solid state.
And Windows 7.
All right. Is that everything? You can build it now?
Mm-hmm.
That's exciting. So what's that?
This is the 1 terabyte hard
That
drive.
drive is locked in
Okay.
place and should be secure for shipping.
There we go. Is
Now, one last
put
thing
in
we
and
should, go
everything.
ahead and put on
It's
the
cool because
case
these
is the
little
I/O shield.
pins and
The I/O
everything they go on the side of it, so
starts
it's
around here.
a toolless install, but
See this
always
rectangular hole right here? Your
good to
motherboard comes with something called an I/O shield that fits in there.
I knew some of
Let's
those
grab that
words.
motherboard box,
yeah.
which
We're watching a
is already
tutorial
prepared
on
for
how
us
to
have
actually do this.
4 drives.
Yeah, I know how to do this. I just
You
like
can
watching
put
somebody
sticker
who
that
does
we
it
put on the case
professionally
if we want to.
do it, and then the order that
underneath
they
this
do it just
cardboard
makes me
here
feel safer.
is our
I gotcha.
motherboard in the anti-static
So that's the
package. So
processor?
take it out,
Oh, that's the
set
processor.
that down, close this up.
Hey,
Yeah.
sticker.
Hey, cool. What's the sticker for? Just to have?
Yeah, you just
This is
this
in an anti-static bag, and to get it out, it's just taped closed.
is the heat sink that it's the default that comes with this that would go over it like this, but
Yeah.
instead I'm using.
And this is a good point to go ahead and ground yourself. Touch something
better
metal,
heat
make
sink?
sure you don't
This,
say,
yes.
"Let's
Oh,
get
wow,
the
that's
board."
huge.
Take the board
Yeah.
out of the bag. Try and hold on to it by the edge, as you can see I'm doing here. Are so rampant.
You know,
on
it really
YouTube.
does look
I'd
like
just rather
a mechanical
take the anti-static
brain.
bag away
That's what it is.
and build on the box, because you
What
know
are you opening now?
This is
There's an army of trolls out there, and I'm just
the RAM.
done with
Oh.
them.
These go in
So,
here.
but by the
Okay.
way, if you have a problem with trolls,
Another
the best
sticker,
way
yeah,
to
yeah.
deal with them
Woohoo!
is just don't play their
Stickers.
game. Just to cover over it. And the reason for that, let's set that aside. The reason for this plastic cover is it's protecting the thermal compound from contaminants like your fingers and dust
Wow.
and dirt and oils. So this thermal compound will melt
Put this down
once
like
you turn
this.
the system on and the
And then
CPU
what?
heats up.
And make sure
You
this
don't have
little
to add
tab
any
right
thermal
here,
compound.
Yeah.
It's
these
already
things
there
go
for
under
you.
this screw.
The only
Start
reason the
pushing it
CPU
down.
fan
Hey, you wanna
would be
do this?
inadequate would be if you were
I
trying
don't-
to
You do
push the CPU
Why?
beyond its design limits.
I don't want to mess
That's
anything
how
up.
You don't. All you
Because
do
of
is
that
you start
overclock.
pushing
Okay,
down
here.
on that.
This CPU fan is gonna.
So this thing right here, you start pushing this down, and you will feel pressure because that's how it works. You start keep pushing it down,
With the computer.
keep pushing it
chip.
down.
Now,
Pop.
our
Okay,
CPU is in
now
this little
push
plastic
this
container.
under here.
Now the CPU, as I mentioned before in other videos, there's nothing
There you
delicate
go.
about this.
What
The
about
CPU will
this?
handle
Drop-
this like it's
yeah, you put that
plutonium.
up. There you go.
It's not.
Cool.
I will
There's a
handle it a
processor
certain way
in there and
for
everything. Now it's
anti-static
pushed down
reasons,
onto the
but not for reasons that
I think they call it
somehow
stands or
fragile.
something like that. More garbage.
I always thought a graphics card was like a card. Like a little tiny thing.
Oh, there used to be. The old school one.
But that's pretty big.
It's pretty freaking huge. You're freaking right. I'll give you that.
Gotta do laundry light. Gotta do laundry. Woohoo. Oh, they stink. One green sock. ABU pants, another green sock. And the tops. And they go. I think one of the socks got eaten.
No, it did not get eaten.
In the dryer.
No, that can't happen.
It did.
Now it's by itself.
Yeah, because
so
I
it's
couldn't.
somewhere in here. There's that bag.
Look at the sky. Pink clouds. Parked under a tree. This is the only tree in Las Vegas.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
What?
You got his something in the mail?
Oh, what is it?
It's a scarf. Or something. That's what he texted me the picture of. I was like, what the fuck is this?
Are you kidding?
Yeah, I was like, what?
He could give it to me. I love scarves.
Yeah, but no, I don't want you wearing it. No.
He paid for his something and it was a scarf.
It's like $10, yeah.
Aw. Can you explain to the world what the something thing is?
I don't really know, but you pay like $10 and they'll ship you some random thing.
Something.
Something. I have
They'll
no
ship
idea.
you something. It's a Google thing, right?
I guess.
That's so funny. I really want a salted caramel milkshake. Like really bad.
Yeah, I do too.
Doesn't that sound so good?
Yes.
But I think I'm gonna get the blue ribbon burger. Because I really want blue cheese and it has aioli, so it's like a win-win.
You got like weird. No, you're fine now. Dork.
Look at that.
No.
What'd you get?
A1 peppercorn burger.
A1 peppercorn burger with a side salad wrapped in lettuce. Well, the burger
Yeah.
is wrapped in lettuce. Obviously, the lettuce wouldn't be wrapped in lettuce. That'd be awkward.
What? Wait.
Nothing. What?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. And then I don't remember what I got. Blue ribbon burger? Blue ribbon burger wrapped in lettuce with a side salad as well. Is it good? Salad's good? Good.
That was crap. That was crap. I ate it all. I feel fat.
You didn't finish it.
Well, I had most of it, and I'm not going to eat the rest of it because...
You were full?
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. I don't have that kind of self-control.
Well, that's good. I mean, I'm sorry. Cannot stop shivering.
I'm cold. I drank 2 of those. Well,
You
one.
drank 2? You drank some of mine?
Yeah.
Did you finish mine off?
Yeah. Hiccups too.
It's all gone. Oh no. Oh well, it's okay. Holy crap. Freaking weirdo.
It's like a double hiccup. We're heading home.
Hiccup. Monster.
I have the hiccups so bad.
That's just embarrassing.
I know. I actually enjoy the hiccups though. Like, they're not really painful to me or anything like that. They're just kind of hilarious. I need to get the stuff that's in the dryer out. Oh wow, that's a lot of lint.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Put your head.
Uniform. In. I hope you took the pens out.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I didn't do that. It's working! Yeah, what are you trying to figure out? System preferences? Oh, hardware and sound. Don't you have to install the drivers and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. The good news is that It's working! Yay! And it's all put together.
Can
Yay!
you hand me?
This is the tomato sauce.
What?
Obviously. And then this is the spinach, which is almost actually.
Under that, make it just build thing. I need
So
those.
plain. This is like 2 cube size spinach.
Disc?
And now it looks like nothing.
This is the disaster that's our living room at the moment. So that's probably gonna be my project tomorrow. What?
Definitely let me know what you guys want to see in the near future as far as that.
What?
What? What?
What? Is it working?
Alright guys, we'll see
What?
you tomorrow.
Is it working?
Yes. Ew, Norton.